Mako be ever second change Jumadi, so YMS. Na so mo na share e wo Jumadi so. In the video in the show, so o taba YouTube na ebia o plan say o pese wo di YouTube e wo Juma. In the video be show some steps bia. Wo betimi a follow, I betimi aboa, am wotimi build YouTube channel no. Am wotimi are successful e wo YouTube. So o pese o create YouTube channel la. Say ade ba kon so hwe ni say. Content a pese wo dey start YouTube no. Hwe say content ya me dey buy e content a nipa dodo na pe undependent will be content so answer no what me I then what me upload this video e dey about out the intermaker say say YouTube e ba copywriter YouTube very straight or copyright so far best now be any say obepe one kasa one content translate na hwe content a me ye ba like nipa dodo na bepe e na will be content a me dey ba nipa dodo na be den pepe and a second one say o now for say we start YouTube channel a wintimi forward ni enye den ento now for some more cause me family dey any example me kind me first video am release ye na how a obetimi first one read obi WhatsApp messages na how obetimi first one read obi WhatsApp messages me release video we last 2 years me release video no me share links in the mama now for be my first video I'm lazy me share my links in the mama now for be to status oh me now for nice content nice video and so me call almost be 1 week me call video na again be 4 views per it is so okay how am first of me but don't know can nice video online I just watch it anywhere ni pa no bro 10 ba bu kwa video no na nipa be 4 no mo video no and she say over start YouTube channel la although we see me share so share links no but me for one in two now for say now for wedding betting aboa ntini pen bia over start YouTube channel bia no ye wa adwen say wona wo start YouTube channel no reason tell the start YouTube channel no say the wo ba me den anything bia wa adwen be ase wo ba a start say ebu no dwen say the internet me start YouTube channel no reason tia me yede me start YouTube channel no say the bit me yede everything you boosted no what me as na start YouTube heading but o hwe say nipa dodo na aye omo me successful nipa dodo na aye omo gain omo audience nti saa so na so be den obetimi aye YouTube obi catch say YouTube anything opwa YouTube heading but eden crab eden obetimi say obi etinya ye no ko ande obetimi eden obetimi aye ena ba ko bi me say YouTube eti say adwuma a wo de ho betum into YouTube say we nipa bi na wo ska invest in YouTube to say maybe a bloggers and I say cause me kind of first video where na me kind the first video me release here na about how first already obi WhatsApp messages or girlfriend WhatsApp messages release videos to buy me kai say me now for me send me share more oh we see what share we see why video no oh me share be 1 week na manya 4 weeks pe it's 4 views na manya no mama because when say for YouTube say oh me fa as a part-time work be na my account but me ankasa de me here juma different or nti na me yes ska ba me sem nti me send video ni ma OMG voice Facebook na me try ska think 300 series or something like that no or the YouTube link here then a 20 page wo na minya insa video na link na the to page and minya views pa na a sign my subscribers be 300 subscribers then e can me 7 subscribers na me what that no see ma me ba so nti se wo YouTuber anything be I watching say we cheska or be spending wo YouTuber wo be cheska enya de a odwen ho too much cause dem kra na as time goes on na utimi successful na obama mmoa obitimi aden atimi atoka ena ade ba ko biem ene say YouTube unzo obi obe start YouTube bia no na dan fofon kra da wa oja no da ko subscribe na channel no ebi okọ school ma obi nam ho a odi ne form ma no wa subscribe obi wo o patcho subscribe me channel we ma nipa no catching ade he so catching ni say me so ebia oko YouTuber such a tech in tree o such a tech in tree na hwe me videos no like when you beje ho me say nti ono hwe video na ni je ho a almost why then or subscribe meaning say nipa no then na ni je content no the subscribe here nti anything bia the best practice pa ne say obetwen amonipa na show content na wo ye no wadwuma no nche se nipa no be subscribe here ko force nipa no ma na subscribe here now release the video nipa ne pa na ba be hwe. But because of so what you can show content and then need or subscribing into no anytime beyond or falling in love with your channel. But also and also you before now the subscriber and yeah best practice. We bet near reach 1,000 subscribers no alright. But watch out is maybe a problem at the amount. And now what me create nice content opposite wedding amount for who like content now you know who say the content we there can you put na who are the what is a taking video me you say taking videos now kind of videos are you know obi a who channel now what kind of videos now automatically you are falling in love with your behwe nti say oh yeah kind of content bisa na opese wo diska to achia I mean show YouTube hire am o kwan am for so promote video into video no o promote ya YouTube am option people into betim the video na then abeto obi video asinti ye fa say popular YouTuber be now release video we won't say because of what promoting video no now video na be that the video na say nti omo mo hwe video ni nyina no omo hu video no wa nti am ka say we hear proper content nipa no hu video na o che we dey ni we opose obehwe wo dey no to betim this guy then etim dia to achi na o promote you videos no me wo wie what me promote no YouTube awie no o betim asenya promote no Facebook but make sure the best way betim promote you videos o Facebook o betim anya watch hours pa kwan betim pass o promote you videos o Facebook ne say nipa do na copy link no no mo the link no ato Facebook wo na Facebook for preview link ne wo no more promote that be and the best way pa say o video na wa ye no fa video no offer video na o Facebook page na wa create no copy video no fa to o post video no wo ha ko YouTube o video no the same video na wa post wo no copy the link no o copy the link na o ye wa say o promote video wa o won say Facebook for the learn more or learn more or more option or learn more to learn more no for video link to learn more na say the learn more ne beti na ya ma on say unse say video wo ha unse na Facebook wo na Facebook for the sponsor that was automatically nipa ne bo video no so na nipa no e de nipa na ba be wura o do say video ni you alright but the nipa na ba be wura YouTube wo nti views no mo hwe ni bia na account e ko YouTube in Facebook account ko YouTube because of say with the learn more na at was nti nipa person dey o ko learn more o YouTube wo to the tour and bit nya bo mo nya more watch away ni nyina be depend on content na o ye dey o create no nti na me start video no me start say me catch you say it depending kind of content how ye dey o ye to say taking tree so with different platform bia if you up say we post taking tree YouTube videos or mini problem we bet me ko post wo TikTok cause ma say TikTok come say TikTok tria we bet me ko post ni wo Instagram we bet me post no Twitter so we tria ma ho ade a we bet me tria ma wa we tria ma cause taking tree anytime you kind of videos that me be beyond me the video number say how youth in the first one the enyeska na say Ghana for the do na be den be first one enyeska cause saying na you should give away na me ye na me give away in the form of donation cause o hwe questions na me bisa na me hu say ma me bia ma me biti ho na otimi say o ya again to normal papa na ma question e bitimi atwa na at least within the 50 cities na ide amano na wotimi ide astre e wa de na woton say the number me den emu nti taking tree channel na nkasa no eye form of giveaway more nti say o content like opposite pick content na all the video no to YouTube here for if YouTube here for but different channel la obviously copy video now there or they at all with me follow here obviously I know with my successful with my more subscribers more views and I may hope you will be a video way beyond. I give you the see when you swap person wedding with the creative YouTube channel like what say with the drum pen so be like what say with the YouTube being the piano. Pay me ban and say what me move the yan say what me move over continue no pushy YouTube editing. Me like me no me like me and say me here juma one china me ka say we invest in woman and no man YouTube no grow in them but we invest in woman a big chance on YouTube right there I go until the one me say me here juma for one chain until me invest almost be 10,000 more than 10,000 come still like we go so invest cause me say YouTube content na kind of content na me yen obi could be an energy cause content much you see unique content what I say into YouTube there like about normal about boson you bit me complain say me reply but me reply mostly my messages me reply ni na cause WhatsApp man for send me messages when they can catch one so me send you my one chain YouTube comments and so me sign wo amount for website they grab me protect me making sure say like BB e ko yi and so me heading and so me monitor and me sign edwuma dey crowd dey dose be bree nti betima ba say the full 1 week 7 days na me sleeping time and kasa my monya kwa no 8 hours kwa na e bia na intro but me na me try my best me dey me reply obi messages ade a me ka dey atwa to kwa na say YouTube opiso nyeska o YouTuber enyi ni nyina na be yet say ade say wo create video ade say wo create channel and say no wetin dey nyeska o YouTube ade ba ku be ma betime nya ne say wo target channels like amount for create content na o hwe nipa ade and nipa ne like ya would at least comment please I can help you do this please I can help you do that so you like you can nipa ne live in a number ka or ha na wo say nipa ne like ya ade wo betime ni ya please I can help you do this would the year continue it may be wa nipa ne betime hu messages no I dey what me approve we are not or reply or na edwuma na ide etime successful I hope the video we when you clear understanding pai ba me gba ma obi a ne say obi a wo hwe video we bia menim say we nipa bia we content creator we create YouTube channel apese o ide YouTube channel ne go nti ade bia pai me gba ma ne say obe continue ade bia mpese me catch on say like YouTube editing obi obe catch on say YouTube nye din bia na oboa memo obi a receive you but there is a way ne say who upload videos or content ne ya dey subscribers na more than money je ho cause nipa no the time and then the credit the bundle the data and then all the ba show video no nti e ba say content no enye kama oba 1 2 next time kra no mu release video no mo send notification kra na omba na wa ba share about say untimi blame obi your content no kind of content now putting it out no and then say we blame no nti say YouTube oh yeah memo wo ba mi mbu o dey continue upload the videos no that crop video beti na den ahite cause o share like video to do pa mo YouTuber omo yi kakanka that crop video beti na ahite nti memo wo ba mi mbu that cause dem kra na e be fa ko hwe YouTube for say o ye sisi a waba mi bebu a sisi a opese like o sisi na waba mi bebu a omo monye popular e wo YouTube sisi a na wo hu omo na wani aso omo start no ko hwe omo videos a omo start no video omo di can release by 3 videos o ko hwe omo se views no wo from kra bi wo a sisi onya 1 million views but o ko hwe ni video no mo so onya 17k na 17k ne de wa mana be nya 17k ne say because of say why popular with YouTube ni pa do na ko hwe ni videos o ma ye no e bia that time na all videos no ti nya bia be 10 views if you want 2 views if you want 17 views but kaka na e ba so o re show video you can release by na when nya bia be 2 views the release by you nya 7 kaka bo say dey called make sure so content how they ba out no content and the pardon na eden pardon na ni eden eje ho follow secondary Facebook oko YouTuber ko subscribe the channel no the video be brow the videos a ehu hia wo Ghana ha bia wo ya ade bia wonim ade na wo ye no